This is the BRAUN MultiQuick 7 hand blender. Now with this, you can enjoy blending, chopping and whisking with its powerful 1000 watt motor. The Powerbell blending wand has a large blending surface and uses stainless steel blades which are ultra hard, meaning that you can cut through the toughest of foods effortlessly. It's also designed with anti-splash and anti-suction features, making the preparation process that much easier. Now, whether you're wanting a soup or chopped vegetables, this blender has got you covered thanks to the easily adjustable speed settings. So to use it at a slower speed, just apply a small amount of pressure like so, but to speed it up, just keep adding pressure, just like we're doing here. The additional components of this device make it a really versatile accessory to suit all households, and they are all dishwasher safe. So you can whisk, you can chop whatever you want with the extra blades, you can blend, or you can easily make a delicious smoothie in the 600 milliliter BPA-free plastic beaker.